Mr. Cannabis.
Greetings, I'm Mr. Cannabis, and welcome to Turbocharging Your Growing Knowledge, the internet's most comprehensive video cannabis growing tutorial. Now I know, that's a big claim. There's so many amazing online resources nowadays, so let me just take a few moments to explain how and why I deserve to make such a claim. Over 20 years ago, when I was 21, I decided to learn how to grow by purchasing 2 grow videos from High Times and living on online forums for a decade. I was quite successful outdoors for 6 seasons before buying a house with an X, moving inside for 3 years, perfecting my methods in peat, cocoa, and hydroponic tables, and joining an international growing collective which afforded me access to a great variety of genetics. So many genetics. Once that relationship became a dumpster fire, I moved out, grew a bumper crop, and enrolled in a 2-year greenhouse technician course. I was blown away. Not only did we learn about topics that I had no previous clue about, but we did a bunch of science and got to see how much of the industry and how the big boys played. After graduating with honors, I worked at a research and innovation center where we did even more science. So much science. I then became a grower and IPM specialist at 11-acre propagation greenhouse for a few years, growing all kinds of different crops and dealing with a variety of pests and pathogen pressures. I left that company to work at one of Canada's largest licensed producers. That did not end well. They acted like an office that just happened to have a few plants in the back. But I did meet someone there that a few years later would hook me up with a job at another smaller producer just building their second site. They needed an accomplished grower that knew the crop, and boy, did I. I was made master propagator and worked there for 5 years, basically writing the propagation SOPs for the company and leading the way in our methods. That company became #1 voted brand after federal legalization, leading us to later being purchased and becoming the largest cannabis company in Canada and 3rd globally. I propagated 6 rooms monthly. Millions of dollars worth of potential product were pushed out my doors every single month. My last summer there, I was even sent to their newer, larger facility to help propagate 120,000 clones and 20,000 auto seedlings. What an experience. And of course, I continued to legally grow and breed personally all these years as well. But after the stress got to me and my personal life fell apart in 2022, I resigned my position to focus on myself and figure out what I wanted to do with my vast knowledge and experience with cannabis without having to go back to that infuriating industry. And since I'm horrific in front of a camera, I eventually decided to take my expertise directly to you, curious cannabis enthusiasts, and teach a whole new generation of growers around the world. To turbocharge your growing knowledge by teaching you everything I've learned that I feel that you should know. So I got to work putting everything I know into a list and dividing it into modules. I also scoured the internet again, reading articles and papers, watching videos, and speaking to old associates to make sure I wasn't forgetting or missing anything, and compiled all of that into data points. I then sent my some 4,500 points to my old professor Bill. Not only has he been in the horticulture industry for 20 years, has masters in both soil science and plant nutrition, but he's also been leading Canada's first accredited cannabis course since 2018. Being recognized and winning awards by the Canadian cannabis community for his contributions to the field. I could think of no one better to check over my syllabus and make sure I didn't mess anything up and won't make a total fool of myself. And what do I think that you should know? Well, 13 modules with 89 sections and hundreds of topics, spanning almost 9 hours. Now I know, that sounds like a lot, and it is, but I wanted to create a narrative for you to understand not just what to do, but why, so that you can better use your own judgment to problem solve your particular issues. That is, after all, what separates a grower from someone who simply grows. This tutorial isn't about delicious plant footage. There's plenty of channels that can do plant porn better than I ever could. This isn't about entertainment, as again, I'm horrendous in front of a camera, and my editing skills aren't much better. I wish I had a team, but it's just me, a grower, not an influencer. This tutorial is about eliminating one of the most difficult and frustrating things that I can remember about learning online, that I never really knew where the borders were, or really how everything worked together and influenced each other. That all these pieces of information I was learning one at a time felt like lone islands amongst the fog, and whether the sources I was reading were really reliable. So, starting with basic plant anatomy and morphology, and covering every important growing topic through to harvest and storage in a single, concise, but well-documented and educational tutorial. where one topic leads into the next, creating bridges between those lone islands, saving you time and frustration in your learning process. I hope I've succeeded. So, as I was saying, welcome to Turbocharging Your Growing Knowledge, the internet's most comprehensive video cannabis growing tutorial. Alright, well, we've got a lot to cover, so let's get growing.